Assalamualaikum, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today is the lecture that is on page number 239, reaction of ammonia derivatives. Whenever aldehydes or ketones they react with the ammonia derivatives, they undergoes the condensation reaction or addition and elimination reaction. As whenever we start the reaction in this reaction, the mechanism of this reaction is just like that. This one oxygen atom will the electron of this carbon atom move towards the oxygen atom, and the ammonia derivative they will react towards this carbon atom. Okay, and the one hydrogen atom it will react towards this oxygen. Okay, then this water molecule that will be eliminated in this type of the reaction. As the G indicated that these are the different type of the derivative of the ammonia. When this reaction occurred with the hydroxylamine, this is the hydroxylamine oxime will be produced. Okay, whenever the mechanism of this reaction that will be occurred in the acidic media, this ethanol will reacted with the this acidic media. It will the hydrogen atom that will attach with this oxygen, because it contain the partial negative charge, and the carbon that is just contain the partial positive sign. We will study the mechanism of this reaction, and there the oxime will be produced. Then next reaction with phenylhydrazine. Whenever the reaction occurred with the phenylhydrazine of ethanol and the propanone, they will convert it into the hydrazone. This is the double bond that will be generated between the carbon and the nitrogen. And reaction with hydrazine, whenever it react with the hydrazine, and this is the formula of hydrazine, it will convert it into the hydrazone. Okay, next we will move towards the reaction with 2,4-dinitrohydrazine. This reaction is very important. It is used for the identification of aldehydes and the ketones. In this reaction, that is the acid aldehyde 2,4 diphenylhydrazine that is produced. It having the yellow or the orange color. It will indicate the ketone and the aldehyde groups. Next, the mechanism of these reaction. In the first step, as you know that this reaction will occur in the acidic media. Whenever the proton will transfer toward this partial negative oxygen, it will convert it into this type of the product, and then it react with the ammonia derivatives. This ammonia will attack on this carbon atom, and this type of the reaction, this type of the product adduct will be produced, and at the last this water molecule will be eliminated, and it will convert it into the oxime or hydrazone. Okay, this type of the mechanism will generated in this type of the reaction. Next reaction, it will be the addition of alcohol. Whenever alcohol will the two molecule of the alcohol, it will reacted with the ketones. They will generated the acetal. Okay, and this acetal will again converted into the alcohol and acetaldehyde. Then whenever the reduction reaction or reduction occurred inside the and as you know that whenever the methanol it is reduced in the presence of the sodium borohydride, it will convert it into the uh, alcohol. Okay, the mechanism of this reaction, that will be the oxygen atom, the oxygen atom, it will attract the carbon, the electron of the carbon towards itself, therefore the partial negative charge will produce on it, while the carbon atom, it contains the partial positive charge. Therefore this type of the product, it will generated, and then it will react with water, this and alcohol will be generated. Whenever the catalytic reduction will be generated, it will converted into the also in converted into the alcohol. Whenever oxidation reaction of acetaldehyde occurred in the presence of potassium diachromate and the hydrosulfuric acid, it will convert it into the carboxylic acid. Oxidation of ketones. Oxidation of ketones, it is the somewhat, inshallah we will study it in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz, take care.